Back at you. Let's talk about another specialty tool, or just a tool in general that I recommend having. This one's made by Lange Tools. That's the maker of it. There's your part number. This thing's awesome because it checks back pressure in the exhaust system. Comes in handy when you suspect there's a clogged converter or muffler. That's because the converter blew apart. It's got several different adapters, which I've only used one of them. These are where you drill in and tap in if it's a bad spot. And there's plugs for you to plug it right here. This is for the Toyota O2 sensors. When you pull them out, gives you a bracket. It's pretty neat. This screws right in there, or screws in the place of a oxygen sensor or an air fuel sensor. It's pretty neat. It's a really neat setup. I like it because you don't have to twist it in. Some of these have lines connected, and when you twist it, the lines twist with it. It makes it very difficult to start these because, let's face it, when you work on exhaust systems, it's hot and it's in a limited amount of space. So getting in there with your hand and stuff can be difficult. That's what this comes in, is you screw it in there, and then there's a quick connector. Just boom, that's it. And the type of rubber this is, it can maintain the heat and the gauge. And I've used this thing quite a bit. So I've had something like this before. It was not the same quality. I had a lot of problems with it. But this has been with me for probably 5 years, and use it 20 plus times probably. It's always worked. It's easy to use. So I highly recommend it if you're a shop or you're a technician, and this is a great tool to confirm where the excessive back pressure is, and then get some data behind it to confirm it. So I usually put it in drive, power stall it, and if you get anything in the 3 range, you're toast. You have too much back pressure. But high quality kit for the money. I can't remember what I paid for it 5 years ago. Maybe it was 50 bucks, 60 bucks in that range. I don't know what it goes for today. But high quality, does come in handy. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Till next time, see ya.